Someone just took a $14,500 loan on 2 Rolex watches at 12% APR, all on-chain, from an NFT-backed lending platform. Arcade, a DeFi lending platform for NFT, announced that someone took a loan on its platform, using 2 Rolex watches as collateral. The announcement said that the use of physical goods for on-chain transactions is opening up a new market for the decentralized finance space. According to the physically backed NFT loan protocol platform, the transaction saw a borrower commit 2 Rolex watches for a loan of $14,500 at 12% APR. It added that the Rolexes were placed in an escrow service pending payment when the owner paid up on their loan. The initial statement announcing the deal said, "These at Rolex watches, stored at 4K protocol, are being used as collateral for DeFi loans on Arcade. Using real-world assets, RWAs, like luxury goods on-chain, could open up a huge market for DeFi." Details of the deal shows that the borrower is expected to repay $14,767 on the $14,500 loan at 1.84% interest on a 56 days tenure. An advisor at Arcade, Cyrus, explained further that with the use of NFT-backed loans, users of the platform can tap into the global liquidity provided by Arcade, raising the argument that it is a better deal than taking their goods to loan sharks. He said, "The Rolexes were sent to an escrow company, which then sent back NFTs representing ownership of the watches. The borrower can then use those NFTs to tap into global liquidity rather than take a predatory loan at their local pawn shop. If they default, the lender can use the NFTs to redeem the watches." One of the most obvious and easy to understand use cases of NFTs. On June 14, Arcade announced that it had reached the $100 million milestone in loan settlements. The platform said that it has continued to make inroads into the NFT-backed lending market. At furious anger, a tweeter wanted to understand how NFT-backed lending works. He asked, "So I send my watches to a middleman. Wait for them to appraise and offer a loan. Once I agree, they'll make NFTs after the fact. Remind me what problem this solves when I can just get a loan at any normal high-end pawnbroker who will drive to my house?" In his response, Cyrus said, "The middleman doesn't offer a loan, they custody the asset and mint you the NFT. You then use the NFT to tap into global liquidity. You can borrow from anyone, instead of local liquidity at your pawn shop. Global liquidity will eventually always get you better rates than local liquidity." With the crypto market in bearish mode, some cryptocurrency enthusiasts are using physical goods they own to borrow from NFT lending DeFi protocols to buy what they presume is the bottom price for several cryptocurrencies.